Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. And today while I was up not today, yesterday, while I was up Aldi shopping, I saw this. Blue Dragon. Katsu curry, is that how you say it? Supposed to be quite simple to make. Just add chicken and water. So let's open this up and see what it is. That's that. I think that's the breadcrumbs, I think. Let's get it up. I think that's the breadcrumbs. That's the That's the batter. And that's the curry sauce. £1.99 that was. Now the only thing is, I've just noticed, I didn't notice up the shop, it says chicken breast. Well, I've bought diced chicken. I don't think it's going to matter. But it says chicken breast, but it don't really matter, I suppose. So anyway, let's see how you cook it. Well, there's the instructions. Just pause the video if you need to look. So, how do we do it then? Combine the batter mix with 100ml of water, so 100ml of water. Take the chicken breasts and cover with cling film and flatten and roll. I'll take it because that's the breast. But I could flatten that, I suppose. Oil in a pan, shallow fry the things, the chicken, and just warm up the curry sauce. So let's start the process. Right then, got myself 100ml of water, got myself a little bowl, I'm just going to pour that in there. I don't need a small bowl, it's only 100ml. Batter mix apparently. Let's get that cut open. Pour it in. I hope I got enough. I hope the bowl's big enough. Let's get it all in. And then we'll mix all that up. Just keep mixing it until it's nice and smooth. Right, that's all mixed together now. So that's that one done. It doesn't say season it or anything, so I'm just going to do it as it is. Next thing, get another bowl, your breadcrumbs, get them in I suppose. It's just to dip it in after the batter. There's the breadcrumbs. Right, next bit is chicken I suppose. Yeah, cling film the chicken. I don't suppose I need to because it's diced, but we will anyway. Well, I'm just putting the chicken on the cling film. So there's no seasoning going on it. I'm just going to do it as it says. Right, I'm just going to flatten it as best I can. So it's not breast, it's thingy, so it's come out there, look. Oh well. Don't think you need doing a lot. Get it back down. Right, I'm just going to get myself some oil to shallow fry it. And while that's doing, we'll do these. Right, so get a chicken. Piece of chicken. One hand for dipping. One hand for covering. Cover it all up. There's one. Right, that's done. There it all is. I made a bloody mess, I know that much. Took me ages to clean it up. That looks alright, doesn't it? So the pan's heating up. So give that 1 minute, then we'll stick it in and then we'll see what happens. Right then, I'm going to put my curry sauce into my other pan. Nice, quite thick that is actually. It takes about 3 minutes, apparently. I'll put it on low. Make sure it's on. There we go. Get it all out. Make sure we get it all. Right, that's that. Get it on low, and then we'll get the chicken in. It's popping, so it's going to be hot. A couple at a time. About 5 or 6 minutes it says each side, so don't overdo the pan. One more. There we go. We'll let that do its thing for a couple of minutes. Right, the sauce is virtually done. You don't get a lot out of the sauce, to be fair. Look, that's for 2 people. Suppose you just drizzle it over the top. I'm going to turn the chicken over. Looking nice and crispy. So about 4 or 5 minutes each side, it says, so, or 5 minutes I think it says. I'll probably have to turn them again, I suppose, I don't know, to check whether they're cooked. Looking nice though, looking nice. Right, I've just checked one, they're cooked. Look, very nice look at them. I'm going to take them out now. Let's get them on a plate. That's the one I checked, cooked. Look at them there, look. Crispiness on them. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. What do you think? Look nice, don't they? Right, let's dish it up and let's give it a taste. Right, let's get a piece of chicken on. Tell you what, they're very crunchy them. They look gorgeous. So I didn't season the batter or anything, I could have, but I wanted to do it as it says. Oh yes, there's the chicken. Bit of curry sauce on now. So you don't get a lot of that. I suppose you put it in a bowl, don't you? Do you put it in a bowl and as a dip? I don't know. Don't know how you do it. Never had this stuff before. Put it at the side there like that. And we use it as a dip. Bit of rice, I suppose. Missed the camera then. Looks nice, doesn't it? Oh wow. There we go. Absolutely gorgeous, look. Really crunch. It's nice. Could have done with some seasoning on it though. I'd have seasoned the batter, a bit of salt, pepper. It's very nice. Oh wow. As I say, there's not much sauce though, so I don't know. I mean, I don't know how you do it. Is the sauce, is the curry sauce supposed to be as a dip, is it? I'm not sure. It's the one I cut up to test and make sure it was cooked. It's gorgeous. It's a bit bland with the salt though, could do with a bit more salt on it. That's nice. So you can hear the crunchy batter. Loads of chicken left, look. That's a thumbs up for me, but I'd season it. Yeah, definitely a bit of seasoning. You need seasoning in that. But apart from that, it's nice. So, I'm the Old Food Guy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Anything you want me to try, let me know. Till the next time, bye bye. Bit of rice with this, be lovely. Can't go wrong, you just can't go wrong. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Bye bye.